Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Ashmita here, back with a song reaction, and this song has been on my list of unginat reaction requests that I get. But this has been on my reaction list for quite some time, and I wanted to definitely watch it. And this is called "Wish You Were Here." This is from an artist called Frappe Ash. That's how you pronounce it, Frappe Ash. So this is essentially my very first reaction to this artist, and this features two artists out of which I know only one. One is Ray and another one is Encore ABJ. So जो सीधे मौत से है. So I know only Encore and Frappe Ash and Ray को मैं पहली बार सुनूंगी. So this is from his debut album Bet You Know. So that's what it's given in the description right now. It's from Bet You Know and written by of course इन तीनों के verses जो होंगे ये तीनों ने ही लिखे होंगे and mixed and mastered by Youngstar. So again, I don't recall this name. Maybe I'm listening to a song produced by Youngstar for the first time. And of course, we'll first watch the music video and then the lyrics have been pinned. So Ray का पहला verse है, then Frappe Ash, and then there's a hook, I guess. And then Encore ABJ ka, of course, second verse and finished by Ray. So let's watch this video. Let's watch this video. This is like almost a 5-minute song. So yeah, of course, 3 artists तो उतना लंबा गाना तो होगा ही. चलो देखते हैं. Wish You Were Here. Okay. Oh, apocalypse has come and gone. We are just growing in the ashes. Okay. Okay. Oh. Oh, it's like an actual apocalypse? Oh. Interesting.
Okay, alright, alright. My heart can move a million miles a minute. You won't feel it till you're in it. I've been pulling all these strings, but I'm stuck at the beginning. I've been saying what I mean, you're not giving what I say. I'm just wishing you were here and it all just be okay. Oh, just be okay. Hold up, wait a minute, this ain't how it's supposed to be. Once we were in love, now it's just a memory and I'm gone.
Oh.
I'm gone.
Hey, you तेरी मेरी बातें जो चलती रहे तो फिर बात ही क्या है. तेरे ख्वाबों में अपना भी काफिला है. माफी लायक नहीं सारी हरकत कब तक झेलेगी तू कब तक. बोल तुझे मिला तो मिले सभी ये बोल. जाना रोल का रोल तेरे अनमोल. तो ट्रिप लेने की ट्रिप दी मैंने छोड़. मुझे काटे मिले रोज. तुझ पे शब्दों के असले बहुत हैं. वहाँ सपनों को जीने में मसले बहुत हैं. पर पैसों के मतलब है ज्यादा. ये लड़के सब डरते क्यों फूलों पे भंवरे बहुत हैं. मैंने सब जान के कुछ भी ना जाना. घर ना जाना दूरी के सदमे बहुत है. मसूरी में थुक पका के मारे सुट्टे बेअदब से घूमे सुकून में हम गुमे बहुत हैं. या क्या होता जो तुम यहाँ होती तो. कुछ कर ना पाते ये छोटी सोच. तुम जगमगाते हुए सोती हो. है कुछ तुमसे नुमाइशें करने को. और यहाँ पे है भी क्या करने को. अगर गृहस्थी की गाड़ी ना चलने दूं. No birds in the cage cause I let them go. आगे खोलो देखो तेरी छवि नहीं. हर बार साल हुए छोड़े घर बार. बनने चले धनवान हाईवे पे बर्बाद. घूमे कैने flipping on a Friday. Getting blasé about all your dangers. Can't thank you enough for all the favors, all the flavors that you brought into my life. I'm more than grateful. Hey, yo, I was not me when I wrote this. I had a dream and you sold it. This is not me, I was focused. She said, come fly, don't fall, come vibe with me, yeah. Come ride, don't lie, come die with me, yeah.
छोटी सी बात जो है अपने लिए बचा के जरूर रखो. मतलब हंसी मजाक करो, वो करो, सब कुछ करो, लेकिन फिर भी एक पर्दा सा रखो. मतलब हर छोटी छोटी बात शेयर कर दोगे ना तो वो आपकी हर पर्सनैलिटी को पहचान जाएगा कि आप किस तरह के लोग हो. आपको कहाँ पे जाके क्या करके आपको दुख पहुंचता है. तो मतलब कभी भी किसी को इतना पास मत आने दो.
अगर मिले वरदान
What do
कभी
you
मुझे
think
कि मैं
about that
हूँ वक्त को वापस कर
advice?
सकता. ना जी वो होगी वक्त की बर्बादी। करा जब गलत नहीं कुछ तो ठीक, क्या कर सकता हूँ मैं जरा भी, अब क्या हाथ पैर जोड़ूं, रस सूख चुका है मैं और क्यों नहीं छोड़ूं। मिला एक शाम एक हरा हुआ जुआरी मुझे, बोला सबसे बड़ा डर क्या है बता, मैं हारा 8 लाख एक रात में, चढ़ा कर्जा इससे बड़ी क्या है सजा। मैंने बोला मुझे ज्यादा डर नहीं पता, जहन में बस यही आता है, जब एक रिश्ते में एक का अचानक से दूजे से दिल उठ जाता है। होता खुलासा तो दिल टूट जाता है, वक्त बीत जाता तो दिल भूल जाता है, फिर कभी नशे और चखने में याद आ जाए तो दिल चकनाचूर हो जाता है।
Oh man,
बहुत
this line.
खूब देखे जिंदगी के मैंने बहुत रूप, तू थी सबसे खूबसूरत उनमें, तेरे पीछे खूब मूर्ख बने। खैर दुआ है कि जिसके भी साथ हो वो सदा तुझे खूब खुश रखे। हम हार गए लेकिन तुझे जीतने वाले को मूल तेरा पता हो, हंस जैसे तेरा जन्म सिद्ध अधिकार हो, दीवार के उस पार तो तुझे सिर्फ दूर से देख के ही खुश हूँ। आइयो ना लेकिन कभी वापस इस पार, मैं तेरे लिए तुच्छ हूँ।
Okay.
I've been saying what I mean, you're not hearing what I say. I'm just wishing you were here and it all just be okay.
Wait, did she kill him?
I'll just be okay.
Wait. Yeah, I just want to go back.
I'm just
She killed her,
I've been
the
saying
guy?
what I
Huh?
mean, you're not hearing what I say. I'm just wishing you were here and it
Oh,
all just be
no.
okay. I'll just be okay.
What the F, dude? How could she? यार ऐसे नहीं करना चाहिए था. What the fuck? Very well. The video, oh my god. Whoa. Can I just say? Okay, the ending made me a little bit angry on the female, huh? What the F? Like, how could you? How could you? Wow. It's a very different song. Very different. At first, so I thought this was going to be like a full hip hop thing. Like, but Ray, okay, the Ray, when he started with his vocals was so beautiful. I love that. I love that. So essentially, this is a sad song. Essentially, this is a very sad song about letting go, like a breakup song. One might say about letting go, but still not having any ill intention about the partner. मतलब स्पेसिफिकली जो ऑनकोर एबीजे वाला जो वर्स आया था वो सो ब्यूटिफुल. आई नो ये फ्रैपे ऐश का गाना है, बट आई थिंक द ऑनकोर एबीजे's वर्स वाज जस्ट ही जस्ट टुक माय हार्ट अवे. Sorry. So ABJ's verse just completely took my heart away, and the first we'll go through the lyrics at the end, but I just want to talk about all other aspects of the song, starting with the overall vibe of the song. It's sad. There is a melancholic undertone to it, which I like because it's a sad song, essentially. But it has a tinge of hope, थोड़ा सा hope जो एक होता है ना, that even if you're letting go of the other person, you are letting go with a positive mind. Like आपको कोई गिले शिकवे नहीं है उस person से. It's like that. So in a very nice, positive way, you're letting go of this person, even if that person hurt you. So I think वो ending जो था, where she shoots this guy. Oh my god. Where she shoots this guy. So I am guessing is that it's because it can be that उसने सच में मार दिया because of survival thing, that I can survive with all this money and all. She became greedy. Or it can be a metaphorical shooting ki haan, she has left him and moved on with her life. It could be either. So I love that that the video also had this sad undertone to it, but it was so beautiful done. You know what? This is the kind of music video that I want to see. This is the kind of music video that I want to see artists make, like very creatively done. You know, when there is a lack of creative music videos, in our country, I feel. Like, which has a storyline. This is proper storytelling. You, like, okay, I see so many really nice music videos where you can see कि हाँ sets पे बहुत पैसा खर्चा किया है with the lighting and costumes and all of that, backup dancers, but it means you have the money. But then you can put that money into making a storyline like this. Like, you know, a music video needs to have a concept. And I love that in this song. See, this is a sad song, but just how well the song has been, the music video has been integrated with this kind of song. मतलब वो चाहते तो तीनों फ्रेम में आके गाना भी गा सकते थे, है ना, अपना अपना वर्स बोल सकते थे, थोड़ा बहुत कैमरा एंगल्स लगा के and all that, you know. But they actually invested in a proper video where you see that there is this apocalypse happening. Wow, whoever thought of this? Amazing, very, very creative. Like, there's an apocalypse happening and you see that guy, first he was alone and he was surviving alone. You see those shots initially कि वो अकेला अकेला घूम रहा है and all of that. Then we see the moment जब वो दोनों मिलते हैं, they were shooting some person and then that gun is pointing. So that's how they meet and they go on heists together. And then at the end where they're doing this very big heist, I think they are like कि हाँ, they fall in love and then they are like कि the guy is completely vulnerable to the girl. तो वहाँ पे वो एक डायलॉग भी आता है कि हंसी मजाक करना है तो करो, पर थोड़ा सा पर्दा रखो, where because आप छोटी छोटी बातें बताओगे तो वो आपके weak points समझ लेंगे. So I think that was like a warning kind of thing. That was foreshadowing. I love that. That is so creative because I did not expect at the end the girl to actually shoot the guy. I was not expecting that. I was completely taken aback, but it was foreshadowed in that verse, like that dialogue. Wow, that was really creative. That was really, really creative. And how well you see how much money has been put in. Like, you see the apocalypse VFX done, and the thing where, you know, वो shoot कर रहे थे तो वो blood ऐसे splash हो रहा था. आप anime वगैरह में देखते हो ना, तो वो cartoons में या video games में, I have seen that kind of thing in anime where you shoot and से blood splash होता है. So all of those visuals were beautiful, amazing. Claps. You have to clap for the creative mind put over here. So yes, that was about the music video, and now let's look at the lyrics. Okay. Oh man, my heart could move a million miles a minute. You won't feel it till you're in it. Oh man. Ooh. I've been pulling all these strings, but I'm stuck at the beginning. I've been saying what I mean. You're not hearing what I say. I just wish you were here. And it all will be just okay. Yeah. Hold up, wait a minute. This ain't how it's supposed to be. Once we were in love and now it's just a memory. Pretty straightforward, but so sad. And the way he sung these lines, like, I was thinking, जब मैं lyrics ऐसे देख रही थी कि हाँ lyrics pinned है, तो maybe ये सारे ऐसे like, you know, verses होंगे, proper verses, and not like a melodic verse. It'll be a hip hop, a rap verse. But wow, Dre completely, you know, surprised me here. And then we have Frappe Ash's verse. ये तेरी मेरी बातें जो चलती रहे तो फिर बात है क्या है, तेरे ख्वाबों में अपना भी काफिला है, माफी लायक नहीं सारी हरकत कब तक झेलेगी तू, कब तक बोल तुझ पे मिला ना तू में. So if you look at the list, pretty straightforward. It's like कि मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको समझ नहीं आएगा. Like, there are no hidden parts, but the thing is, it's about the emotion. It's about the feeling. It's about the feeling, like what they are trying to say. And I think how it complemented with the video is what completely impressed me. For me, honestly, this song is kind of a grower. Like, it'll be something like, okay, let me listen to it a couple of more times. It's not like that I did not vibe with it. I completely vibed with it. But जैसे वो कुछ गाने होते हैं ना where I don't know, like, let me just give you an example of, say, Surface, which I recently reacted to, which, like, from the get-go I was like, मैं तो डूब गए इस गाने में. Here I'm somewhere in the middle, though the song is beautifully done, but I think it'll take me a while to be like, okay, wow, okay, I'm completely into the song right now. So, but in this song, I feel that ABJ's verse was Okay, fantastically done. I loved it. That's where I got the feels. That's where I was sold on the song. Just when he started, the way he was rapping. It's not just दोनों के verses के जो lyrics थे, they were amazing. But just the way I don't know, there was a different feel to it, which I loved, which I absolutely loved. And I was like, okay. And especially like at the end, where मतलब वो वाला line तो मेरे को प्यार हो गया उस line से, where he said, वो होता है ना in the lines of जब वो दारू पी के जब चखना लेते हैं and then वो याद आ जाते हैं, wait, where is that line? वो तू खूबसूरत में मूर्ख, where is that line? I hope you understood what line I meant, huh? Anyway, my eyes have become potato now. I can't see it. हाँ, I don't know why. वो चकनाचूर हो जाता है, वो चकना एंड चकनाचूर वाला जो उसने वो वहाँ पे राइमिंग किया. I love that. Anyway, so you understood which one I mean. So I think overall for me, I think this song is a grower on me, and I'll listen to it, because what happens is that when I usually react to a song, either the ones I completely love just gets added to my playlist, and other times I ensure that I listen to it, because I love music, so I always do proper justice to every song that I listen to, where I would give them multiple listens to finally, after deciding that, okay, am I going to really love this song? Like, am I going to listen to it in a long run or not? So I always give every song something which I even don't like at the first go. I'm like, एक और बार चलो सुन लेते हैं, because it's a very different thing when you are listening to it for the first time, and after multiple listens your opinion might change, because ऐसा भी हुआ है बहुत बार कि पहले बार मुझे गाना बहुत पसंद आया, and after 5-6 listens I'm like, मजा नहीं आ रहा है. So but here, oh my god, I want to listen to Ray. That beginning part was so beautiful, the way it was composed. So Youngster, that's the composer, right? The one who has mastered this, Youngster. Yeah, so I think he has done also a really good job. So yes, those were my overall thoughts on this song. Do let me know what are your thoughts. Very, very different. What I like is that this is very different from the usual stuff that comprises of hip hop, because I like when there is a combination of melody plus rap. This is not pure rap. There's a combination, because I don't know, it just gives a variety to listen to. I just like that, and this being a sad song, I like it, because in every song भी अच्छा नहीं लगता है कि हर एक गाने में अगर आपका एक melodic verse हो and then rap हो. It needs to depend on the song also. I think for these kind of songs, it's perfect. It's absolutely perfect. So yes, those were my thoughts and my reaction to Wish You Were Here by Frappe Ash featuring Ray and Encore ABJ. What are your thoughts on this song? Let me know definitely in the comments below. And with that, I will end the reaction here, and I will sign off now, and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye.